Ooh, what up? It is complete. Well, for the most part. Still got to get a cotter pin and small things. I got oil pressure. Um, Everything went well. The only bad thing that I have going on is two injectors. They're leaking from the actual bodies. So I'm going to have to replace those. And that's okay. They're long overdue RC injectors. They've been on this car for probably, well, on this engine for like 15 years probably. Or they've probably 15 years old. I don't know. Probably going to go with FIC or ID. I don't know. Something a little more modern within the last couple years. But alright, guys, I just want to keep you updated. Prelude is alive, well, so far. And we will be back. Timing's good too. Turbo's on there. Now I gotta hook up the actual piping. So deuce deuce. Hey yo, what up, what up? Homie Brandon.
What up?
Hey. Got the car running. Thank you to HBR and everybody that made this possible. Thank you to good old Prelude manuals too. Cool. Got good oil pressure. It's actually running really good. A lot better than before. It's going through its first ring cycle, heat cycle. Haven't seen this thing in a long time. Pressure. I'm gonna let that be its heat cycle. So that was about maybe 5 minutes a run. So thank God. I'm so proud of myself. I really am. I did this. You did this, guy. You did this. All right.